Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. So today we are back here with a new recipe. I have in the past shared the recipes of sugar scrubs with y'all, emulsified sugar scrubs. Today I will be making a sugar scrub specifically for oily and acne prone skin, and these scrubs are extremely good. They don't feel sticky on the skin, especially when you have a acne prone skin. You want something that's very light and mild, on your skin, as well as it cleanses your skin well. So today I'll be showing you two different varieties of sugar scrubs that we will be making for acne prone skin. So we can start now. Here I have taken my oil and butter. It's already been melted, and also I have melted my stearic acid and emulsifying wax. I have not used beeswax for this recipe because, as I told you, it's specifically for oily skin, so we avoid beeswax since it can get a little more sticky on the skin. So we'll start here by adding our waxes to the oil. And friends, also for the beginners who had requested to make easy recipes, to share easy scrub recipes, I have shared a scrub recipe without the emulsifying wax and the stearic acid, which is a DIY recipe. So if at all you're not interested in making these more advanced scrubs, you can go and watch those videos. I will be putting the link in the description box, and you can make the easy scrub recipes. Now here we have mixed the oil and the waxes here. Okay, so we have mixed the oils and the waxes here well, and now since I'm going to make two different scrubs, one scrub I have taken here a mixture of lemon peel powder. Lemon powder is extremely good for acne prone skin because of the vitamin C that it has in it. Bentonite clay is also mixed in this, which is extremely good for oily skin. And I have taken neem powder, which is a good and which has good antibacterial properties, which helps in reducing the acne the acne outbursts that happen on the skin, and it also helps to fade away the scars that are left behind because of acne. So this is a mixture of these powders, and the other one has a mixture of Moroccan red clay, it has orange peel powder, and it has a little rose clay. Again, these are extremely good for oily as well as combination skin. People who also don't have a very oily skin and who have a combination like a little dry, a little oily, can also make this one with the Moroccan clay and the rose petal powder. It is extremely good and it gives you a soft and nourished feeling on your skin. So now, since we are making these two different flavors, I will just put this base of ours in two different containers. In this one, I will mix my powders here. And we will mix it. The lemon peel powder itself has an exfoliating effect on the skin, so you will get that scrubby effect. For people who do not want to add sugar in this recipe, can avoid using it. They can omit the sugar, the granulated sugar from the recipe, and they can only add these powders, the neem powder, the lemon peel powder, and the bentonite clay. And for people who want a more exfoliating effect on the skin, the more scrubby feeling, can go ahead and add the castor sugar. So we will just mix this well first here with the oil and the waxes. And now, since this is already a little cooled, we can start adding the sugar. Avoid adding the sugar when the oils and butters are hot, because the sugar tends to get melted when it is still very hot. So since this is cooled enough, we will just start adding the sugar. And sugar also according to your preference, how much thick scrubby you want your scrub to be, you can add the sugar accordingly. I will not be adding a lot of sugar, because as I told you in my previous video as well, that I prefer my scrubs to be a little runny in consistency, not very thick and scrubby. And we will give this a mix now with the sugar. Friends, the sugar scrub is very good, at least to use a scrub on your skin twice a week. It is very good to remove all the dead skin cells from your skin, and the sugar scrub really helps to keep your skin healthy and to maintain that glow on your skin. I would really suggest you all to try this out, use it on your skin, and see how soft and smooth your skin feels after you have used the sugar scrub. I will just add a little more sugar to this, because it's very thin right now. Okay, so we are done here with the lemon and the neem scrub. Now we will go ahead with the rose and the Moroccan clay scrub. So I will first add the powder here. And we'll give this a mix first. Here I have mixed the rose powder and the Moroccan clay. And friends, clays are very good for your skin. Regular use of these Moroccan red clay, yellow clay, Brazilian clay, kaolin clay, they give you amazing results when you use them on regular basis. Okay, so here I have mixed my rose scrub as well, and now I will be giving this a quick blend with my blender, so that we don't have any sugar particles or anything left here. Okay, so I have blended both these sugar scrubs with the blender, and now we will add the essential oil to this, which is very important, which is the key ingredient to give us all the lovely benefits on our skin. So for the lemon and neem, I'll be adding tea tree essential oil. Please check the the usage rate, how much you need to use, which will be mentioned on the bottle. Too much of it also is not good for the skin, and too less will not give you the benefits that you need. Tea tree, I'm sure all are aware of the excellent benefits that it has for acne, for oily skin. So that really helps to get rid of acne and scars. And here for the rose scrub, I will be adding a rose essential oil. In case if you don't have a rose essential oil, you can also substitute it with lavender essential oil. That is also fine. You don't need to specifically have rose. And lastly, we will be adding our cosmetic preservative, which is again very important. because we will be using this in the shower, and you know, sometimes water enters this and it can spoil your scrub. So it is extremely important to use a cosmetic preservative, whichever you have. Any cosmetic preservative will do. Just you need to check the usage rate and accordingly add it in your scrub. And we will now be putting this in our bottles. I will also give you a quick demo of how the scrub looks, of how the scrub feels on the skin once it thickens up. Okay friends, so we'll first start with this Moroccan red clay and the rose powder. So just a little bit I have taken here, and I had showed you the demo in my previous videos as well. Now we just need to give this a good scrub. Here you will see the red color of the Moroccan clay, but once you wash it off, the entire color will go off because it's just the color of the clay. And then you just need to add a little water. And you can wash this off. So your skin feels really very smooth after, you know, using these sugar scrubs. As I told you earlier, it's because of the emulsifying wax that is present, emulsifying wax and the stearic acid, which gives that soft texture to the skin. Generally, after using scrubs, you feel very dry on the skin. These are extremely soft and moisturizing. You don't even need to put a moisturizer after using the scrub. Now the next one, we'll try the lemon and neem scrub. So I'll just take a little more to show you all the lotiony effect of this. Now the lemon peel powder itself is giving a lot of exfoliating effect on the skin. So even if you don't want the, as I said, the sugar, you can just omit that off. And I'm sure you can see that lotiony effect that it has when you scrub it on the skin. And once you wash your skin and you just wipe it, it's extremely moisturizing again. And this is specially, as I said, for oily and combination skin, so that your skin feels fresh. It doesn't feel over moistened or over oily after using it. It feels extremely light and extremely clean. So friends, if you're having such acne prone skin, any issues of scars on the skin, please do try these scrubs at home. Try using them, and just by using it once or twice, you will not see the result. You need to use it at least for a month continuously to get maximum benefits and result from these scrubs. And if you liked my video, if you're learning something out of it, please do like, share and subscribe so that many other people benefit out of this. Thank you so much friends. Bye.